In this video, I'm going to show you how to flip domain names. Now, this is going to be a pretty basic tutorial of where to find the best domain names and where to sell them. But if you do want to get into advanced methods, then I do recommend a course by Bobby D. It's called Get Domains, and he will show you more advanced techniques of how to find and sell domains. That way you can make a little more profit if you want to do it full time or you want to get into it a little more advanced. The link to that is down below, and go ahead and check that out if you want some more advanced techniques. What I'm going to show you here is just some basic stuff. So we're going to go ahead and start from expireddomains.net. This is a free website to use. It's a great website to find some decent expired domains, and this is where I go to find my expired domains that I want to flip. It's expireddomains.net, and if you don't already have an account, I really suggest that you sign up for one. From this screen here, I'm going to go ahead and log into my account, and once you're completely logged in and have an account and everything, this is exactly what you're going to see. So what we're looking at here is you can really flip any type of domain on any TLD that you want, from whether it be a .com, .info, .biz, .net, anyone that you want. I'm going to show you basically .coms because .coms is where it is the most profitable, and that's usually what people are looking to buy. So what we're going to look at here on this expireddomains.net here is the deleted.com. So we're going to go ahead and click on the deleted.com, and you're going to get a list here. And we're not going to look at the archives. Instead, we're going to look at deleted.com domains. And right now there's over 2 million deleted.com domains in the system here. So we're going to go ahead and click on deleted.com domains. And here it's going to give you a big table and it's going to give you a list of all of the domains that it's found that's expired. And in this table, let's see, it's got 12,367 pages to it. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to sort through these. But this table really tells you everything that you need to know just by looking at the table. And once you know how to read this table, you can just fly through it. But if you hover over the top menu here, it'll tell you what each one is. The domain name, LE is the number of characters in the domain name, BL is backlinks, TF is trust flow, CF is citation flow. And it's really cool that you're able to see the trust flow and citation flow for Majestic in this, because that's usually a premium feature that's included in all of these tools. And this one, you don't have to have that. So that's one of the main reasons why I use this, is because I can see the trust flow and citation flow right in here. It doesn't have any of the Ahrefs things in here, so if you do have an Ahrefs account, you're going to have to manually put them in there. But I don't even use Ahrefs for this, so I just use the trust flow and citation flow. This has the birth year from archive.org, and this is birth year from Whois. And then you can just scroll through and look to see what the other ones are. But we're really going to look at dropped and status over here. Dropped is when the domain was added into this system, and status means whether or not it's available to buy or it's not available to buy. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to go ahead and create a filter. So where it says show filter here under list, where it says deleted.com domains, you want to click on that, show filter. And we're going to go ahead and do a filter. So what I like to do, these are the settings that I like. I only do numbers, or I only do characters. On domain name settings here, I always click only characters. The length, I usually do a max of 10 characters max. You don't want anything real long. Dictionary word domains, I usually do English. You don't have to do that. You don't have to do any of this if you want. But these are the settings that I found that I like the most. You can play around with it as well. And only available domains here on the bottom right hand corner here, I click that, only available domains. And then under domain name allow list, means you can put in anything that you want to include. So if you're looking for a domain for a niche specific website, say Bitcoin, we can put Bitcoin here that says starts with, and it will find and it will search for any domains and show us any domains that begin with Bitcoin. Or we can have it contains Bitcoin. Bitcoin can be anywhere in the domain name. Or we could have ends with Bitcoin, and Bitcoin will show up at the end. There's also a block list, so if you want to put something like on the block lists, contains, like you can put, because a lot of times you'll see adult stuff in there, so you can put adult related words in here, and you won't get those. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and do starts with Bitcoin. And I'm going to click on this apply filter here at the bottom. And here's all the domains that it's found that starts with Bitcoin. Bitcoin SBE, Bitcoin Lay, Bitcoin Vac, BitcoinPalm.com. You can also click on show filter again, and we're going to go ahead and put it contains Bitcoin. And go to apply filter. And it's going to do another search, and it will show where it contains Bitcoin anywhere. So here we got the other ones, Palm Bitcoin and Cow Bitcoin. I usually look at the backlinks, trust flow, citation flow, and the birth year here of how old a site is. Okay, we're going to click show filter again. So let's go ahead and put let's see, what's a good one? Contains, we'll put starts with dog. A lot of people like dog sites. So starts with dog. We'll click apply filter. Okay, so here is a list of dog sites. This is perfect because this is exactly what I want to kind of show you. So it's got this whole list of dog sites here. So what we're going to do is, what I normally do is I sort by trust flow, and I click on the trust flow here at the top. If you click on any of these at the top, it's going to sort it. So do get web, that's not dog, doggywire.com. It's got an 11 trust flow with a 4 citation flow, and it has a birth year of 2006. So it's a 15-year-old domain. That's a pretty good too. Also, if you click on the year, it's going to pull up a Wayback Machine, and that way you can see the previous sites that were built on that domain. It's pretty cool. Dog Cat Gang, Dogs Venue. So this kind of gives you an idea of how I find my domains. Go to backlinks. You can sort by backlinks, and it will give you the highest backlinks. So and then once you find something that you want, go ahead and so we'll highlight this. We'll just say this. Then we'll put in GoDaddy. Go to GoDaddy. Now, some of the times, even though it shows available, it's not available. So you got to kind of look for it here on GoDaddy and make sure it's available, or wherever you buy your domains. Okay, so Dog Mythic, your domain is available. So Dog Mythic has a trust flow 0, citation flow 4. This one is DoggyWire, has a trust flow of 11 and a citation flow of 4. This would be a really good one to try to sell if you were into the dog niche. Dog Pepper. So also what you can do is you can go to show filter, and actually that's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to reset. We'll click on reset, and that way we're showing them all. If you want to see the ones with the highest trust flow, just click on trust flow, and these are the ones, all of the 2 million that are in the system right now, 2.4 million domains. These are the ones with the highest trust flows. So you can look here to see something that you might like that has a high trust flow, such as like 27, 25, 24. Those are good trust flows. These, let's see, just search through them and see if there's anything here that sounds pretty cool. memoriesinGlass.com. That sounds pretty cool, but it's got I'll try to stay away from the hyphens though. Bella Luna Books, that sounds like a brand. So Mississippi County Maps.com. That looks pretty cool. Green Coffee Warehouse. So you scroll down here and look at them, and some of these are not available. They've already been registered. So if you want, you can go back to the filter. You can do only available domains and click apply. And this will show the highest trust flow that is still available. And you won't have to worry about going back and looking at them, which you do need to go to GoDaddy and make sure they're still available when you buy them anyway. So that's pretty much how to find domains, where to sell them. I just sell them from GoDaddy Auctions. GoDaddy Auctions is $4.99 to have an account on GoDaddy Auctions. So you can create that account for $4.99 and you can go ahead and sell them there. The reason why I buy them from GoDaddy is because I sell them from GoDaddy. GoDaddy will take care of everything. They will transfer everything for you. You don't have to worry about it. And they will deposit your money in your PayPal or wherever you wanted it deposited. So that's pretty much it. I just basically wanted to show you this expireddomains.net. Great tool to use for finding domains. Expired domains, kind of powerful expired domains are the best to sell. When you sell them on GoDaddy, please make sure that you put in the trust flows. That way your prospective buyers will know what trust flow they are. They usually look anyway, but I always put that in there as well. Once again, if you are interested in getting an advanced training of how to flip domains, click on the link below. It's a great course by Bobby D. He's one of the best in doing domain flipping. He will teach you everything you need to know about domain flipping. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please make sure that you give it a like below.